Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Flore, but you can call me Flo. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on tackling underneath the sink and finally getting it cleaned up and organized. I kind of threw a lot of stuff in there, and usually I'll put new things in the front and whatever else was in there just get pushed up to the back. So today we're going to be really trying to tackle and clean and see what we need to throw out and all that good stuff. I will be adding some contact paper, just trying to have a cleaner look because it's a little rough, okay? And then I'm going to also be using some organizing pieces that I found from Amazon. I will go ahead and share the link with you guys on my description box if you're interested. They are affordable, but I do like to check the prices because, you know, like Amazon prices do fluctuate. So definitely consider that.
And say goodbye. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get by.
I'm just using my shop vac vacuum because really that's what I had. I'm trying to get all these crumbs off the crevices in the side before I start wiping down the surface. All right, you guys, it is hours later. If you're new here, I have two amazing boys. My oldest is only 2 years old and my youngest is turning 8 months old. So there's a lot going on throughout the day, and I kind of clean in, you know, a few minutes here, wherever I can get a chance. That's when I'm cleaning up. I do want to point out that little cord right there. It was for the, what's that called? The garbage disposal. So I think it was either leaking from the bottom or something. We got it removed. We do plan on getting that installed. Just want to let you guys know that. So no worries there.
That'll move on and walk right out of here. I'm up all night, keep pretending to save the world. I'm up all night, keep talking, yeah. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right out of here? You always try to find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest.
All right, so I let the surface dry a little bit while I was attempting to measure my contact paper. I didn't account for the pipes over there, the PVC pipes, so I kind of had to do what I had to do, but I finally got it in there. I just simply used like a Target old gift card to kind of smooth it out, make sure there was very little bubbles remaining, and that's pretty much what I did. I did get this contact paper from Amazon. I will share that link for you on my description bar if you're interested.
Well, I'm out here. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right here? You always try to find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right here? Well, I'm out here. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right out of here? I'm up all night, keep pretending. Save the world. I'm up all night, keep talking, yeah. Worried that I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right out of here? You always try to find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right here? Well, I'm out here. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right out of here? I'm up all night, keep pretending. Save the world. already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting.
And now I'm just adding the grip shelf liner. I thought that was going to be like an additional barrier just in case to kind of protect that surface.
Worried that I'll move on and walk right here. You always try to find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right.
And this is the 2-tier organizing item that I love to use. This has to be like one of my favorite items to use anytime that I'm trying to declutter or organize things. It's affordable and it really does help with compact spaces.
You just keep talking. Are you even the slightest? Worried that I'll move on and walk right here. Well, I'm out here.
So you guys, I actually ended up throwing that away. Those Swiffer wet mopping cloth, they must have been in there for a very long time because I tried to use one and it was so dry. I was just like, oh my goodness. So I ended up removing that and they were put in the trash.
You just keep talking. Are you even the slightest? Worried that I'll move on and walk right out of here. I'm up all night, keep pretending. Save the world. I'm up all night, keep talking, yeah. Worried that I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest? Worried that I'll move on and walk right out of here. You always try to find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest.
So I'm gonna come in using my clear stackable plastic storage bins that I picked up from Amazon. I will share that with you if you're interested. They work for the space. They're not as big as I thought they would be, but it is perfect for what I'm using it for.
Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest? Worried that I'll move on and walk right here. Well, I'm out here. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night.
You guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys got some motivation to tackle some things in your home or organize an area that you may have been forgetting about. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. We would love for you to join our family. And until next time, you guys, bye.